Sorry, in the video I have misspelled the chapter as chapter 13, but it is chapter 15, Entrepreneurship and Capitalism. In this video we will talk about chapter 13, Entrepreneurship and Capitalism, and in this video we will see concept of market expansion and capitalism, how they both are related. So the question I found after analyzing all the question papers are as follows. I only found the two questions. One is expansion of market a precondition for development of capitalism, and the second question we will do in the next video. Expansion of market encourages large scale production and this growth of capitalism. There are two main objectives or the main functions that help in market production, large scale market production. The first is production of surplus value. Capitalist production has its own internal dynamism to expand. Initially, capital is in hands of class of owners of the means of production with limited labor. Marx called it restless, never-ending process of profit making. Capital is formed when money ceases to be only a means of exchange and money increased by adding new value. Marx finds cores of profit hidden in labor power which capitalists buy on the market. In feudal society, unpaid labor of wage worker is surplus value, and in capitalist society, workers receive wage for the use of their labor power. What they produce is more worth than their wages. Wage cover only cost of necessary labor needed to maintain their labors. Capitalists appropriate the difference which is surplus. Now the second is never-ending process of profit making. Capitalist tries to increase the rate of surplus value all the time with continuing accumulation of capital. Now let's see what is accumulation of capital. Accumulation of capital means increased demand for labor power leading to rise in price labor. Competition from individual capitalists is one of the characteristics of capitalism helping it grow. New technology needs new capital. Thus, concentration of capital in large-scale production leads to centralization of ownership and control of capital in the hands of few. Capitalism increases or creates demand for labor, and capitalism creates unemployment through mechanization. Industrial reverse army that we have already talked that what Marx has said to it. These points help keeping the wage of employed under control. Accumulation of capital leads to constant capital increases and become greater in relation to variable capital. This is called the growth in organic composition of capital. Constant capital increases, process of mechanization decreases surplus value and producing variable capital decrease. Marx assumed tendency of average rate of profit decline. It leads to economic crisis, contradiction between capital and labor. It finds masses of buyers. Capitalists want other labor to rich but her to be poor, as higher wage decrease the profit. Monopoly capitalism develops through cartels, trust, holding and fusion. Capitalists move to protect the rate of profit against the effect of free competition. Monopoly is the result of concentration of capital that is greater than. Under monopoly, profit is high due to limiting production and holding technology improvements. It is also due to lowering product quality. So we can conclude that expansion of market is a precondition for development of capitalism because expansion of market encourages large scale production, and when there will be a surplus value, profit will increase and thus the capitalism will rise. The course of profit is hidden in labor power and which the capitalists buy from the market. The unpaid labor or the surplus that we gain from giving less wages to the laborer are the profit or the surplus value. And when these surplus are accumulated and is invested in the production or in the new technology, leads to growth of organic composition of capital. And the drawback that we see due to capitalism is the monopoly. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.